Meaning of Flemish.
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 Flemish. Flemish refers to the culture, language, and people of Flanders, a region in northern Belgium. The term Flemish is also used to describe the Dutch dialect spoken in this region. Flemish culture is known for its rich history, art, cuisine, and architecture. The region has produced famous artists such as Jan van Eyck and Peter Paul Rubens, and is home to UNESCO-recognized architectural sites like the Belfry of Bruges and the Flemish Beguines. Today, Flemish remains an important cultural identity in Belgium, with many political and linguistic issues surrounding its use and recognition.